Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to edit code in your Google Sites? In this video, we will show you how to access and modify the HTML and CSS code to customize your site beyond the standard options. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, let's go ahead and open our Google Sites website. Now there is some couple of things that we have to clear before we start with this video. So when we are editing or adding code or whatever it is, we are not talking about the code of the page itself. For example, this is our template that has been made by Google Sites, and when we are talking about the code, we are not talking about editing something here. So example, I'm not going to do this, click here and tell you that I'm going to choose this section, we're using some code, but that is not the case at all. In this video, we are going to talk specifically about the embed codes and how we can add a specific code to our website that can serve a specific reason. So let's start first by going here to a blank site. And here I'm going to add an embed code, which is going to be in the top. So you will find insert, text box, images, drive, and embed. So click on embed, and here add an embed code. Now you have to add a specific code. So here, as you can see, paste the HTML code from the site you want to embed. So here what I'm going to do is go to ChatGPT, since I have no clue about coding, and I'm going to give me a script about login or a table of food calories in HTML so it can be embedded in Google Sites. And there we go. Now we simply have to wait, and it's gonna start giving us like a table with calories of food consumption, etc. And for example here, apple, banana, orange. And what we're gonna do is to simply copy all of these scripts and paste it right here. So let me show you how, guys. And even they give us instructions here. So open Google Sites, go to the page where you want to embed the table, click on embed option, usually found in the right hand sidebar, choose the embed tab, copy and paste the HTML code in the box, click on next, and then insert. So let's do the same things. Let's go here, click on next, and as you can see, this is the table, exactly what we wanted. And let's click on insert. And as you can see, this is the table and it has been added successfully. Now we can add like a small button in the bottom of it. Now add a small button in the bottom of it so it can take us to a full page with more food variation. So let's go here, let's wait, and as you can see, sure, here is an updated HTML code with a button at the bottom of the table. When clicked, this button will take you to a full page with more food variations. Now the only thing that we need to do is to replace the URL of full page with the actual URL of the full page I want to link to. So we simply have to wait until everything is basically made. We have egg, alright. And now what I'm gonna do, copy this, and I'm gonna click here on edit. Let's edit it, and this URL I'm gonna change it to, for example, food calories. And let's go here. Let's go, for example, this one. I'm trying to find something. Apples. Okay, there is here calories. So let's go with this one. I'm gonna take this URL, copy it, paste it right here, next, and save. And as you can see, for more food variations, we should click on this button. So let's see if it is working. Let's click on publish. I'm gonna choose whatever. publish, and now I'm gonna click on view published site, and as you can see, this is our table. Now what's next to do is to check if it's gonna take us to this page. So let's click on this button, and as you can see, they have actually taken us to that page. So here we have a full table, well, with all the elements that we need. For example, apple, this is apples, this is like all the apples variations and the calories that can be in an apple. If I went back and removed it, I can find others like food in general. I can find here, for example, meat. I simply by writing meat, I will find all the calories about meat per can, per calorie, per cup, I mean per gram, per package, and all the calories per whatever serving size we have chosen. We can even put here the amount and much more. And this is just an idea of what you could do with the embed code. You can even make it look like a login page. So now give me HTML code for login, and as you can see, this is they are pretty much making it for us. So let's just wait now, and once they are done, we are going to copy it, and the same results we are going to find a login like area or section where we have to put our inputs, which are username, password, and the button, which is login. So let's click here, and I'm going to add the new embed code here, paste it, and this is our login page, as you can see. So let's insert it, and as you can see, I can put it in the middle, and this is pretty much it. Of course, you can edit it. You can edit the colors of the button so it can match your website theme. You can here, there is the background color, the font color, the font size. Everything is basically easy for you to understand because it is on HTML, and HTML is basically the closest language that I found to our human language. So basically find here like some details, display, height, margin, color. So it is pretty to understand. So you just have to go to a specific place where you want to edit. You simply edit a specific thing, and you can simply preview the results. If they fit what you were looking for, then that's perfectly good for you. If anything else was happening there, then you can change it whenever you want. You can even Control C, Control C, and you will go back to where you were at the beginning, or simply ask ChatGPT for it. So you can ask ChatGPT to keep the colors to match your website, so you can literally copy the colors of your website, in case you didn't know, F12, and copy the colors and tell them to keep the same theme. And that's what's it, guys. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.